Hello, welcome back. Well, she is done, and if you ask me, she's beautiful. I love this. She did turn into a little bit of a gator mouth, but she does have a closure. So we do have fabric, and then we have lace tablecloth over top of that. And then we have a doily here, and she has this whimsical and romantic closure. As you can see, there's some lace in there. Let's take a look at her. As you open her up, I didn't put anything here because there's a lot there to see. This is vellum, so I have a beautiful rose printed on this, and you can hear that. And another pretty piece. And then here I have a letter to the new owner. And then we have a tag here with a couple of little tags. They're all backed by a coffee dyed paper. And you're going to find little sentiments throughout. So here's another one. And that's such a pretty collage. There's plenty of writing space throughout here, but at the same time, there's lots of tucks and tags, which of course we love. There's a little bit of stenciling here. There is stitching throughout the tags and the pages. And I thought she looked good just tucked there, peeking out. Got this cute little envelope with all kinds of goodies in here. A little booklet. You can stick in your purse or do whatever with. Keep sentiments in that or prayers in that. And keep it in the pocket. That would make a cute little prayer pocket. And then here. And this is some beautiful for patterns. And it has the pretty flowers on it. We have a coffee filter here. These are great for writing on. You can draw or doodle on it. Nice little collage here. So what I'm using is not written down in front of me. Pink Monarch Prince Vintage Romance, and that's what this and this is. That's what the kit is that's used in here. And then the rest of it are just pages, you know, items from different things. It could be from TLC Creates. I have some ARTYmaze freebies in here. This is the center. They make a nice subtle noise when they clank against each other. Here's another little collage with some tickets. And you could definitely write prayers or sentiments on the back of them. whatever it is you're into. More lace there. You'll see all the tags have a grommet. I tried to think of everything I could to keep this journal alive for many, many years. So I was stuck on this page, and my granddaughter, if any of you know Holly from my videos, came up with this idea, and what a beautiful idea. It doesn't have to be a belly band that's straight across. It can be on the slide like that. And I was stumped, and she did that, and then it got me right back into the journal. Oh, that doesn't belong there, sorry. And then in here I threw in an old picture from 1968. It's a woman sitting in a dress with the corsage pinned to it. She may have been a bridesmaid. And then this that you saw is a paper clip. And then we have an envelope. And the paper clip could be your marker to whatever page you're on. You can move it wherever you want. This is a nice bookmark. Would make a nice bookmark. And then we have a little envelope here that has some paper in it. And this is the end of the vellum piece. And there you go. So this is available. You just have to message me or email me and let me know that you're interested in it. And we can get together on that. My email is below, but it is CV as in Valerie, and then Warman, WARMAN, and that's at gmail.com. Or you can message me here on Facebook or Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope I hear from you. Thank you.